Mpungose usezohamba emhlabeni. Sanibona sanibona ngiyanamukela kwiNyakadinho TV. Ngabe uyaqala ukubona le channel cofa ibhathini ibhawu subscribe uzizoma uqala ukuthola indaba kule channel ethi Nyakadinho TV. Uthi umbuzo wanamhlanje Ukhuzani ngabe uzohamba yini emhlabeni ngalamaza akawasho lapha ku Facebook bafowethu. Impendulo ithi cha. Ukhuzani kahle bafowethu lapha kuvuka umunyu lapha ngensizwa lapha ekuthiwa Ukhuzani. Insizwa iyalapha yakwaGoba efake indaba lapha i-interview lapha isho ukuthi Ukhuzani Mpungose umuntu oqala owakwazi ukugcwalisa imabhida ngendlela Ukhuzani akasho ngakhona kulelo Ukhuzani kule poster yakhe uthe uma kwenzeka ngihamba kuqala emhlabeni nisekhona nonke enifunda le poster naba abantu abayokhuluma emngcwabeni wami nize ningabavumeli osomathuba abangakazi befakaze ngami ngisaphila. Yebo bafowethu uthi lapha uyabona umfokaGoba ukhulume akanandaba nakuzondwa kodwa ukhuluma akakwaziyo bafowethu izitha umfokaKhuzani lapha umfokakhuba lapha ziyamvukela kakhulu ngoba ekhiphe i-album yakhe entsha sha ethi alibo licala bafowethu. Ayike bafowethu ake ngidedele le video ngiyaxolisa ukuthi nginganifakeli video exactly nginibekele isithombe lapha ngizonibekela nje isithombe sakhe lo muntu lo okhulumela amazwi umfokaGoba lapha ekhuluma lamazwi lawa ngenxa ukuthi la ku YouTube bafowethu uma ufaka ivideo yomuntu eke yaba khona kwezinye inhlaka zeindaba bayeke bekuvale i-YouTube channel yakhe. Sacela ukufaka isithombe sakhe bese ngifaka amazwi kuphela ukuze nizobona bafowethu ukuthi Ukhuzani Mpungose akakhulumi bona amampungo. Ngiyabonga bafowethu nayo ke video
country. But I must remind the viewers as well that the only traditional music event that filled in Moses Mabhida a few years ago was done by a single Maskandi artist, which is Ukhuzani, who's the partner to the Satmas now. It was done by a young man, and it was traditional music. If you want to do an event now and you want it sold out, traditional music. Right. It shows that young people are buying into it.
Let's talk about the Satmas now. I mean, 18 years on, the Satmas are still going strong. Let's talk about the staying power of these awards. So what is it that you've done to ensure that
ukuthi bafowethu niyibonele ivideo le kade idlala manje ekhuluma umfokaGoba. Ngicela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like ngiyayibongela.